first open house, and it's going to be Saturday, not Sunday. Saturday, November 5th. I grew up in Hauʻula, grew up on 𝐸 Street, right behind the Hauʻula shopping center. So if you're looking for a Hauʻula boy to represent you with sales on the North Shore, I am your brother. So 1,375,000, 4-bedroom, 2-bath. That's 1,656 square feet. What else, Adrian?
There is a limited time $4,000 buyer credit for closing costs.
Better hurry up and get it before it goes.
Yes, ocean view, 2-story home with separate kitchens on each level.
Tropical oasis with coconut, papaya, and banana trees. Steps from the beach.
This is
Sunday.
November 2nd from 12 until 2.
Give them the address.
All right, that's 911019 𝐸𝐴 Street in Ewa Beach. This is Ocean Point. $1.275 million. This is an executive series home in Ocean Point, over 2,500 square feet.
4-bedroom, 3-bath, and bedroom and full bath on the first floor. So if you got some house guests or somebody that wants to stay at the home, they don't want to go up the stairs. Perfect for a guest or home office. 14
owned solar panels under the NEM for lower electric bills.
Yes, that's a primo.
Yes, that's the one everyone wants that one.
Yep. And then the primary suite with the private balcony and ocean views.
5975 Honolulu Street.
Yeah.
Okay, and it's listed for just under $4 million, 3.99.
This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Again, I don't know how many times we got to say it. It's oceanfront, sandy beach. Private path leading directly to the sand that's on the beach.
Open concept living with a panoramic ocean views.
Yeah. Anyway, expansive deck and lawn, ideal for entertaining. Oh, co-ownership available. What's that, Adrian?
So if you only want to use the home 3 months of the year, we do have a co-ownership option.
Is that like a timeshare or fractional ownership?
Through Kohana Homes.
Yeah.
And you own you basically join this LLC, and the LLC owns the home. So it is a whole ownership. And that is available for $1,050,000.
So $1,050,000 gives you to be able to use this property, 3 months out of the year.
Mm-hmm.
It's a rotating 3 months. You have the experience of that home while you're there, because most people aren't there all year long for second home buyers, but then you don't have the headaches of owning it all year long. You can do this with your best.
You share in the upkeep too of the home. So
it can be expensive for beachfront.
Exactly. So you share in the insurance.
And here's the thing, folks.
Maintenance. Yep.
This can be with your best friends or your frenemies. Why?
Because you don't really see each other.
You're not gonna see them.
Yeah, and you don't talk to them either. There's a manager that handles all of everything that's needed to be done with the home.
Daily, one day, you coming up the next day, and nobody sees each other, and then it's kind of like a set reset. If you want a bowl of green M&Ms when you walk in the door, that's what's going to be there to greet you. If you want pictures of unicorns all over the walls, that's what's going to be when you greet you. It's always a stage reset for each owner.
All right, last open house is Sunday from 2 to 5.
And that is going to be at 91-1209 𝐸𝐴 Street, number 7, J like Jack in a Box, Ewa Beach, 469,000, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, 710 square feet.
Modern condo in Coronado community with great open layout.
Private lanai and 2 assigned parking stalls. 2 parking stalls. That's very important. Very important.
Convenient to the 𝐸𝐴 shopping center, dining, and beaches.
And beaches. So what is this? Like Ewa Beach, Haleiwa, Ewa Beach, Hauʻula. We're all over the place. So if you are on the island of Oahu or any of the other islands and you're looking to buy or sell, all you got to do is give us a call at 799-9596, 799-9596, or check us out at teamlally.com. That's LALLY.